What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, I'm so happy you joined me today because today we will be reviewing the new collection from TGIN, the Rose Water collection. Let's hop on into it. Now guys, I did just get out of the shower. My hair is freshly washed. I did go ahead and shampoo, deep condition, and apply a leave-in conditioner into my hair, and it is fully detangled as well. So before we get started into the styling process, I do want to go into a little bit of detail about these products. Now, the first product that I used in the shower was the shampoo. Me, personally, I really enjoyed the shampoo. Now, there wasn't really anything special or out of the ordinary. It was just a regular shampoo, but I really appreciate how it lathered. You did not need a lot of shampoo for it to work. I washed my hair thoroughly, maybe 2 to 3 times, and it built up great. This was a really good shampoo. It's called the Rose Water Sulfate-Free Hydrating Shampoo, and it sure was hydrating. One thing that I did realize about this shampoo was my curls started to revert when I was using the shampoo, and my hair usually doesn't do that. It's usually a big old frizz ball until I put some conditioner into it, but with the shampoo, I was surprised at how much definition I was actually starting to get. So this was a really good shampoo. So guys, after I used the shampoo, I did go in with my deep conditioner. I really like my hair to be nice and conditioned before I start to detangle it. So here is the deep conditioner right here. This is the Rose Water Hydrating Hair Mask by TGIN. This was awesome. Can we talk about the smell? This, what? This smelled so good. It has a very perfumey smell, which normally I don't like, and some people may not like the smell because it does have a little bit of a perfumey smell to it. But personally, I really enjoyed the smell. It smells so good, guys. It just smells light, like a shower, very pink. I can't stop sniffing it. It smells delicious. It really smells great, and I really hope that you guys go out and purchase this line. Tell me if you like the smell too. If you guys already have this line, please comment below and let me know if you guys like the smell or if it's a little bit too perfumey for you. Okay, so next in the shower, which was my favorite, I did go in with the Rose Water Soothing Leave-In Conditioner. Here is the conditioner right here. This is what I put on my hair after I washed out the mask. I did let the mask sit on my hair for about 10 minutes before I washed it out. But I did use this leave-in conditioner, and I really, really did enjoy this. I know it sounds like repetitive, like I'm enjoying everything, but it's the truth. Like, this was a really good line so far, and I'm really excited. So the leave-in conditioner is in my hair right now. I did detangle. Now, usually how I detangle is as I am rinsing out my mask, I'm just breaking my comb through under the water. So my hair is soaked in the water, the mask is leaving my hair, and I'm also combing as well to detangle. And then my hair is usually fully detangled, and I can go in with a leave-in conditioner in the shower, which is pretty cool. And this did the job. I didn't use a lot. You guys can see just the top is going right here. But this was some pretty nice stuff, and I love the packaging, by the way. Just it's so pretty and pink. This is rose water. This is very beautiful. The packaging is lovely. I love the black, the pink, and the white. She did a very good job with this line. Now guys, she also has a refresher that you can purchase as well. I actually did not purchase it because I just don't need it, but I did purchase the mousse that she has. This is the Rose Water Curl Defining Mousse. We will not be using this today, but I do want to just show you how the packaging looks and how cohesive everything looks. This is some really nice mousse. I cannot wait to use this in the future. Last but not least, after we discussed everything, the last thing in the line that she has is a gel, guys. Who doesn't love a good gel? Who doesn't like to try a gel? Our hair works so differently. This may work for me and it may not work for you, and that's with all products. That's why we love trying different products out, and I'm so excited to be trying this Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel. Here it is right here. This is the only thing that I will be going on my hair with. I am going to go ahead and do a wash and go, so I'm pretty nervous about it. Alright guys, I am going to go ahead and just take this down. I do have a cotton t-shirt wrapped in my head, and I also have a plastic baggie in my head just because I need moisture when you're doing a wash and go, so I wanted to retain as much moisture as I could. So I'm going to go ahead and just pop this bad boy off. Whew, okay. So here's what we're working with right out of the shower. I'm already seeing definition. Crazy. Already seeing definition. My hair is loving this stuff, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just part my head. Wow, like that is cray. This is my hair right out of the shower. All that's in here is the leave-in. Woo, child. Alrighty then. I'm gonna go ahead and take a nice sized chunk and pop everything else out the way so we can focus on detail today. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the gel. You can see I haven't even opened it yet, so I'm doing this on camera with you guys right now. So here is the gel. Alright. I think 2 pumps should be sufficient. Already by feeling it and rubbing it in my hands, I hope that it will be enough to hold the definition. I really do. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I put 2 pumps in and my hands, I'm gonna have to put this on my knee so I can pump it out, but I did go in with 1 more pump in the back section. It just depends how it's gonna dry. That's all. It depends on how it's gonna dry. I don't know, y'all. I don't have no comment yet. It's too early in the game to make a comment, but I think that this is a light hold gel and my hair is thick and needs a strong gel so it can stay under control. If not, it'll just get into like a frizzy poofy frizz ball if I don't have enough gel on my hair. So here is my next section of hair. I am loving how defined my hair is. My hair is usually not this defined, so I'm going in with some more. That was 4 pumps because I needed to hold. No, this held a lot better. That's really pretty. It does not have a strong hold. That's why I'm nervous. Like I need that got to be hold. I need that that extreme wet line hold. Like. Okay guys, so I just finished putting the gel in my hair. That was an interesting experience. The gel is definitely light. In a way, it's not a heavy gel at all, but it did give me a lot of definition. My hair is already starting to get a little bit big. We are going to go ahead and sit under a hooded dryer till it's dry. I will use my handheld dryer if I need to shock it anywhere where it's still wet, but I will be back as soon as this is done. And guys, please stay tuned to the very end because I do have something cool here to show you. So I will be using these as I style my hair, so please stay tuned to the end so you can see what is going on with me. I'll be back when my hair is dry. Deuces. Alright guys, I am back and this is my final, well, this ain't my final look because I have something special for you guys, but this is how my hair is looking. I'm loving the shine. That's like the first thing that like really stands out to me. My hair is definitely defined. It has a lot of volume. It's cute. I'm digging it. This is my wash and go. Hey. But without further ado, I do have these here with me. These I bought off Amazon. I will link them in the description. I just wanted to see how they look in my hair. I think I bought like 15 of them and they weren't that expensive either, guys. I will go ahead and link it below and probably put it on the screen just so you can see, but they're all right here and they're so cute. They're little hairpins and they say like happy on them and other things like that. I also have one that says sweet, how cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take these all out and just honestly I'm just gonna put them in my hair because I want like a cute look, but something that's like dramatic. I'm sorry, I'm sweating to death. I'm so hot right now, bear with me as I glisten. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and take these out of the wrapper. I'm gonna start putting them in my hair, and it's not like a going outside look. This is just like I want to see, you know, how cool I can get in my artistic skills. So I'm gonna just place these all over my head and I will be back in a second when I unwrap them from the wrapper. Okay guys, so I did went ahead and unraveled them. Look how cute this one is. It's like little smiley faces. I am going to go ahead and put these all over my head. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm going to start with this one. It says sweet on there. And I'm just going to pop it in somehow, some type of way, honey. I don't know. Alright guys, I only have 3 left, so I'm going to go ahead and just take this. I do have this as well. I'll link these below, but I'm just going to take the bottom 3 so I can stay on trend. Just like so. I'm hot, y'all. I'm really hot. Alright, let's see what we're doing. Alright guys, I just wanted to play around and have some fun with these and show you a little bit something different. This is not a going out hairstyle at all. I'm so happy I got to try the TGIN Rose Water collection. It really did my hair some justice, even though I probably just messed it up with all these stuff in there. But how cute are these accessory guys? Giving y'all some glam right now. Ow. This is so cute. I'm loving this. Loving the look. Okay. Alright guys, I am going to let you go. I really do hope that you enjoyed and liked what you saw. If you did, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can also hit the bell. I do upload weekly. This is the TGIN Rose Water collection. I do give it a thumbs up. It is As Always Aleia approved. I'm so happy you guys got to see this whole experience with me today. Again, I will be linking everything below that I did use so you guys can see it. If you guys did like this style, please give it a thumbs up. Again, this is just for fun. It's not like a real look. But I am going to let you guys go. I really hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.